Hello everyone. Today we start with the commentary videos. So if you like, please leave it in the comment. And if you want to, subscribe and give us a like. So today we are in Liwan district. It's another district in Guangzhou. And we are going to, look at this tuk-tuk. We are going to Shang Xia Jiu Pedestrian Street. That, if we translate it, is up and down 9 pedestrian street. So look at these buildings, that balcony with the air conditioner. Like, look how thin the buildings are. Right? They should have like 5 meters, 10 meters at most around. Look. This is okay. I really like about these buildings and walk around these streets. Actually, because in my mind I started to think that I'm in the old China, and actually it's quite new now, but I imagine in 1995. Okay, talking about 1995, and this pedestrian street is the first pedestrian street that's open in Guangzhou, and actually it's opening, I don't remember exactly the day that's open, but open in September 1995. So look at this aside, impressive, all the cables there, and the decoration for the Chinese New Year you have, all the lanterns. Well, you can see just now a cleaner, and you can see how clean are the streets. So in China the cleaning service is quite good, and there, you cannot see any paper, or it's hardly to see some papers on the floor. Okay, we are arriving to the pedestrian street. Let's see what we can find. Look at this balcony. Here, these kind of shops are quite popular in everywhere, every part of China. So there's a stinky tofu and salty, different kind of food. Well, look at this. You can see the old buildings, and behind the tall building that is called Boko. I want to enter there. Let's enter to see what we can find. Wow, a little bit windy here. Look, here is a Xia Jiu. In China, we call it Xia Jiu. It's the community actually. It's where the people lives. Okay, this is a city village. You can see quite old buildings here, and quite interesting. Let's keep walking around the pedestrian street. It's quite interesting behind the pedestrian streets. Look here, the shop in 1889. And look at this building. Look how thin it is and how tall. The windows quite good. And looks like it has 3 floors, and it's the tallest building in the area, as you can see. So I think about this building has, like, as I said, between 5 and 10 meters width. Here we have a baby boy shop, and wow, look at this. This one is a statue about the people walking the birds. Actually, it's quite a good hobby for the old people, and you can see in some squares the people. Okay, old people. It's not very old, but you can see in the squares they are walking the birds. Look at that building. Hello.
冇食啫嘛。
Wow, look at this. Looks like this is a robot cleaner. Look here, the cameras. Also, here now you can have a robot cleaner. And also the quite interesting part that you have here is that here in the pedestrian street you can see the old buildings, but behind, as you can see behind, you can see all the tall buildings. Actually, they should be quite old too, but you have a mix. Okay, I have two kids following me and trying to talk a little bit English. So this is quite common also sometimes. The kids see foreigners and they start to follow and start to talk some English. They are quite fun. Okay, now they are running away. Okay, maybe now you can feel some wind. It starts to be a little bit windy today. And sorry, I'm not using the microphone this time. Whoa. Let's make a 360 and see. Here looks like the entrance. Look, welcome to Shang Xia Jiu Pedestrian Street. You have the sign there. Let's take a picture. Okay. Look at all the advertisements also. They are quite old. Okay, I don't like to say old. Okay, 1995 for me it's not old, but now if I think well, we had like 30 years. So that is a typical medicine for your throat. If you have sore throat or something, so you drink that one, that syrup. Okay, wait, I will put the microphone first.